Hello, my name is Priksha Jain. I am from Nepal. I am a PhD scholar here at Faculty of Economics, South Asian University. I have been a part of this department since past 4 years, including my time here as a master's student. Our department offers a international standard curriculum which is both rigorous and relevant. This is complemented by our highly qualified faculty members who ensure effective learning. Our faculty members are not just educators, they have been mentors to us who are deeply invested in our academic as well as professional learning. This vibrant academic culture of SAU is further enriched with the frequent workshops, seminars, academic gatherings, which is not just mere an event in our academic calendar, but is also a very integral part of our learning process. These events provide us with the opportunity to interact with the renowned scholars, academicians, peers of our diverse background, as well as it gives us to, it not only broadens our horizon, academic horizon, but also enables us to build a network which is very helpful in our academic growth. SAU, as a collaborative project of SARC, it stands out in its commitment to bring together faculty members as well as students from across its members' country, fostering a very diverse environment. So here, this unique blend of cultural diversity, it enriches our academic experience in the sense that it does not only help us to learn from the textbook, but we also learn from our peers, from their experiences, their perspectives, their traditions and cultures. Overall, I would say that this university, it provides you an experience where you will, get a very good cultural exposure, diverse cultural exposure, as well as a very excellent academic atmosphere. If you do get an opportunity to be a part of this university, it will be a very remarkable journey for you in terms of growth and learning experiences.